Here we are. Are you ready to be amazed? Well, I hope you enjoyed our home tour. It's a beautiful home, and if you have any questions or would like a tour, please go to my website at soldnation.com, or you can call me at 205-410-1005. If you would like to receive a newsletter with home tips, maintenance, and also some encouragement and fun facts, please join my community. It's Kellie's community, and you can join at kelliegragg.com. That's KELLIEGRAGG.com. God bless you.